easy updos you actually can do. I think this hairstyle is so elegant, and it's just a topsy tail, but you're gonna do it from the side. Let me show you.
This is the hairstyle I'm gonna show you how to recreate, and you can do this with short, medium, or long hair. First, you're gonna put your hair in a ponytail, and you want this to be about the middle of your head. Take the hair elastic and pull it out away from your head so you can create some space. Then from the sides, create a hole in the hair. Take your ponytail, bring it through that hole to one side. This is called a topsy tail. Then you're gonna take your ponytail back around through that same hole again. Now you're gonna start shaping and pulling apart your bun to make it look fuller. I use one hand to help shape the bun and the other hand to start bobby pinning everything in place. If you have long hair and you still have a tail, you can tuck that tail underneath the bun you're creating and use bobby pins at the bottom to make sure it stays in place. Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more easy hairstyles.